Suppose after you clear the examination, you may have the two options. Either you can do practice or you can go for service. Service means you are going for the office. Suppose our Sweta is available. Mata Sweta, available or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
After you cleared CA examination, you want to do practice or want to go for service?
Practice.
Practice. Very good. Now, our Sweta has cleared CA examination. Where do you want to do the practice?
Sir, in any good firm.
Okay. You want to start your own firm or not?
Own firm, sir, but beginning beginning years I'll do in some good firm, and after that I will start.
Thereafter you will create your own good firm. Am I right? Very good. Now, Sweta has started her own practice. Okay. To do the practice, you may going to put your name also. In which name you want to do the practice, Kanna?
Sir?
In which name you want to open office?
Sweta and Associates.
Very good. Sweta and Associates, Chartered Accountant Associates. Okay. She has created her name, brand name. Okay. And started doing her practice. This is what our Sweta. What Sweta? Looking like you or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Distribute now. Now, Sweta is a practicing chartered accountant. And to start the practice, you need money. Am I right?
Sir.
For the purpose, she need fund. You want to get the fund from a bank. Which bank you want to get the fund?
Karur Vysya Bank.
Why Karur Vysya Bank? Okay. Karur Vysya Bank. She has approached the bank and she need money. The moment she entered into the bank, in bank they said, banker will give the money immediately.
No, sir. He will ask for it.
Immediately, banker has asked. Bank Sweta approached the banker. In turn, banker has asked first, okay, ma, you need a loan. First of all, who are you? Immediately, Sweta got angry. You don't know who am I? I'm a chartered accountant, All India first rank holder in CA intermediate. Total marks comes to 800. So each subject 100, 100, 100, all centum only. Final also 800 out of 800. So all over famous personality I am for asking who am I? So she got irritated. That and all, okay, ma, you want to practice, you need money, no? If you want money, as a banking norm, she has to provide what?
Security, sir.
Very good. So banker asks security. Unless otherwise you are going to give the security, over it maybe we can't release any money. And immediately Sweta came out. In the entrance, security wala was there. He has almost 70 years age. He went inside, take his security and give the money. Banker got irritated. Security mean not our security, ma. No, sir, this and all out of syllabus in CA. I don't have any security. But I need money. Banker is very stubborn. No. Unless otherwise you give security, we won't give any loan. And banker, our Sweta started crying. If you are not going to give money, then I will go to abroad. I don't want to stay in India like our Kamal Hassan. I will stay in what abroad. Then my intelligence going to utilize only in abroad only. Then India abdi valara saradu. and somewhere abroad only our Modi also will be there. Very easy to access Modi in outside India. So I'll report about this bank also. You are not giving money because of that. India lost so many things. Banker got a fear. No, ma. Out of my interest, I'll give money. Okay, don't complain. That too about complaint about banker, immediately they will take the action. And the banker has given, okay, take it. 25 lakhs granted immediately. I myself give my security. And happily, Sweta got 25 lakhs loan. And before she leaves, banker has asked, okay, ma'am, when you will repay the money? In turn, Sweta said, now only got the money. How it is possible to repay? I have to settle myself. I have to procure some client. Thereafter, I have to satisfy the client. Thereafter, I have to collect the bill amount from the client. After collecting the money, I have to utilize for my purpose. Excess money only I can be in the position to settle for loan. Therefore, minimum 5 years you should not disturb me. The 5 years is called moratorium period. So 5 years, I don't want to pay any money. Okay, ma'am, you can settle. But what about the interest portion? At least you'll pay the interest or not. I am not having any interest to pay interest. So I don't want to pay any interest element also. No interest, without any interest. That to 5 years, she won't repay. After 5 years, normal rate of interest applicable. Thereafter only, after she settled, thereafter only she will repay the money. This type of financial arrangement, this type of loan is called dash. Sweta.
Sir,
This type of loan is called a dash. Vignesh. Manashwini. Tomesh. Suganya madam.
Unsecured loan, sir.
No.
Interest free loan, sir.
No.
Kind of education kappe agramati.
No. It's not for education. It's for educated people.
capital.
No.
sir.
Loan is called seed capital assistance. Okay. What is that called?
Seed capital assistance.
Seed capital assistance. Frequently asked question, seed capital assistance. Seed capital assistance represent what? To start the venture, she need money for the purpose of investing as a capital. Like a seed, you know seed, vidai, am I right? Somebody is assisting capital as a seed to grow. That's why it's called seed capital assistance. To grow yourself, Sweta has cleared CA, but she wants to establish her business. Somebody has to contribute money, then only she can start the business. So like a seed, somebody is assisting capital. That's why it's called seed capital assistance. Name itself implies the character. Am I right? Read them. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
the seed capital assistance is designed by IDBI. So originally designed by IDBI. This is for professionally or technically qualified people. Professionally or technically qualified entrepreneur. Person, the people may have relevant experience and skill. You may not have money, but you may have the experience as well as skills. Those people, they will assist. For that purpose, project cost not exceed rupees 2 crores. The cost of the project should not exceed 2 crores. Maximum assistance with respect to seed capital, maximum assistance is how much they can give is restricted to 50% of required promoters Reka not Parota, okay, promoters contribution or rupees 15 lakhs, whichever is lower. Between two, whichever is less, that only you can get as a what? Seed capital assistance. So the restriction is 50% of required promoters contribution or 15 lakhs, whichever is less is the maximum assistance given by the IDBI. Now, it's an interest-free loan. Seed capital assistance is an interest-free loan, but service charges of 1% per annum, 1% per annum for the first 5 years is applicable. Repayment schedule is fixed depending upon repayment capacity and 5 years moratorium period is also there. Cooling period, first 5 years you don't need to pay also. So seed capital assistance, very famous question and a frequently asked question also. Next.